Hey, how's it going? My name is Tyler, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 things that I carry with me on my travels. So as you guys know, I travel around for work a lot. I like to pack light, and I do not like to take over amounts of equipment. So usually I bring a backpack and as little as possible. So besides the basic stuff like camera, lenses, backpacks, these are 5 things that I take with me that are small, compact, and that help me along the way on my travels. So the first thing I like to bring is one of these. This is a hard drive. It's I think a 2 terabyte hard drive. I usually dump all my footage onto it, as well as I bring another one of these to back up everything twice, just in case one crashes. Another hard drive I use is this solid state drive from Samsung. This has been a lifesaver. I don't usually dump everything onto this. This is more for editing off. It's like 2 times the speed, 3 times the speed as working off an actual hard drive. So I definitely recommend getting one of these because this has come in really handy, especially if you have a slower computer and you want to speed up your editing. The second thing I like to bring with me all the time is a portable charger. These things have been lifesavers in a lot of situations when you're out in the woods or if you're out somewhere where you're not going to have any plugins for a few days or even like the full day, because with my camera, sometimes the batteries die quick and you don't have enough batteries to recharge your phone. Whatever you're using, this thing is great while you're on the road to keep your camera charged as well as your phone charged for whatever you need. So the third thing I like to bring is this stabilizer. This is the brand Zhiyun crane. I'm not sure how to exactly pronounce it, but yeah. So basically what it is your camera sits on top of here on this mount, and this is where the batteries go into at the bottom, and it basically acts as a stabilizer for your footage. So if you're walking, sometimes you notice in camera shots, if you're walking with your handheld, you'll see a lot of bumps and jittery motion. This thing here is a lifesaver. This thing will stabilize your footage and be able to follow people walking like it's a smooth shot. The fourth thing that I like to bring all the time is my phone. This may be a little bit obvious to some people, but this thing has been a lifesaver for me. Whether that be looking at maps, looking up locations, directions, anything like that. If you don't have service or Wi-Fi, you can also download offline maps through Google or through other third-party apps. So it's definitely recommended to bring a phone or some type of device that can help you get around, as well as if you're in countries, you can always insert a SIM card or a different SIM card for a different country, and you have access to data and phone calls wherever you are. For example, in Thailand, to take my SIM card out, it costs $50 to unlock when you're here. I'm sure those fees changed now. I'm not sure what the fees are in Canada. But yeah, if you get your phone unlocked and you bring it to Thailand, you can get a SIM card for $15, and that gives you unlimited data, unlimited calling, unlimited messaging for a whole month. So the fifth and probably the most important thing that I take with me on my traveling is an adapter. This is the Twist Plus by One Adapter. This thing has been a lifesaver. As you guys know, a lot of places and a lot of countries, they have different plugins into the walls. So this is an all-in-one adapter. What it does is it twists and it creates different outlets on the back. So twist one way and it puts out the Canadian outlet, twist the other way, it's the European. Anything you want is all right in this one adapter, as well as it comes with USB plugins. So you have a USB plug-in here and here, so you can charge multiple devices at one time. What also is really, really handy on this thing that I found is it has a special plugin for a MacBook. You guys know that MacBooks have those bulky cords that plug into the wall. It's a big block, and sometimes you'll notice if the plug is too flimsy, it will just fall out of the wall. Well, this thing is great because it actually has a built-in piece for the MacBook to plug into, so you won't have to deal with the MacBook plug falling out of something. So yeah, this is something I definitely recommend. It's super small, super light. As you can see, it's the size of my palm. Super easy to throw in your bag, and it's way better than those ones that you see that have multiple plugins and you gotta carry like a plastic bag around to get whatever adapter you need. This thing is an all-in-one adapter just by the twist. Just super handy and super good for what I'm doing or any other travelers out there that want to pack light and they want to be on the move all the time without having a bunch of accessories in their bag. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much. Those are the 5 things that I like to carry with me while I'm traveling. Obviously, there's other things that I take with me, like my camera, my backpack, that kind of stuff. But those are 5 things that I find that would be helpful for some people to take with them that you might not think of in the first place when you go on a trip. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you check out more of my videos. I'll be creating more videos of travel and other places around the world coming up soon. Thank you.